This next set of videos will cover sequences and consecutive sets. Now, for people that haven't taken a math course in a while, sequences and consecutive sets can seem a bit unfamiliar, but once you learn how to translate them, they are all pretty much the same, or I should say the key to them is pretty much the same, because translating really is the key to cracking sequences as well as consecutive sets. They are usually presented with a set of rules, which can be given simply as words or as an algebraic equation. And as long as you can decode the pattern that they give you, then you should have the blueprint for what your sequence should look like. Now, if you mistranslate or misinterpret your sequence, well, then everything you do after that point will be erroneous. So it is worth reading sequence questions slowly, taking the time to understand the prompt before you start doing your scratch work, because getting that first step right is going to determine how the rest of the problem goes. So let's get good at interpreting our sequences and knowing our properties of consecutive sets, and this should be a fairly straightforward series.